Alchemist is a Flask web application that allows investment professionals to research their strategies. We built Alchemist in W4156, advanced software engineering class taught at Columbia University. There are 4 members in the team, and each person's responsibility is listed as below. We use OAUTH tool to access Google API for authentication and authorization. Users not only can use traditional user password way of login and register, but can also use login with their Gmail directly. If a user forgets his or her password, the user can simply click Reset Password button to recover and reset password. For extra security, only an admin-approved user can access our application. To achieve this, we created role-based model such that every user has a role attached to it. On the left screen, a new user is trying to sign up to use our application. On the right side of the screen, an admin login and then approve the user's access request. This added layer of security allows us to be able in total control of who can access our application and making it very secure. Uploading a strategy is simple, as demonstrated on the left part of the screen. Click Choose File button, choose a file, click Upload, and in a blink of seconds, file is uploaded to our database. We not only display uploading progress bar, but also run style and code check to make sure your code compiles and runs correctly. As displayed on the right side of the screen, uploaded files are displayed on the UI with name, last modified date, and last modified user. Once the strategy is backtested, we use Dash, a powerful visualization tool developed by Plotly team to visualize or backtest results. This allows investment professionals to study their strategies by looking at where did most profit and loss occur. Our deployment is also automatic. We use GitHub Action, AWS CodePipeline, and AWS Elastic Beanstalk service. We use CodePipeline to automatically detect code changes on GitHub branch. Once the code is merged, downstream step is automatically triggered to deploy updated application to Elastic Beanstalk. Now let's see in a quick live demo.